Hi guys, so today's video I'll be doing goddess locks as my protective style for this week. I am so proud of my hair. Look at how long it is. It is so long, I can't believe it reaches my eyebrows. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyway, I'll be using a bunch of hair that I have had and I have never found out what to do with it. So it's different colors, so I'm just hoping it turns out nice, and it actually turned out great. So first you start by braiding your hair like this, so as to prepare for the crocheting method, which is what is next after braiding your hair. So whoa, look at how long my hair is. I'm so excited. So the next thing is you are going to crochet the hair on that braid. So I did the back part of camera because I don't have a really good mirror where I can film the back part, but I am going to show you the front part. So please make sure the braids are not tight because you'll be putting the braid in. So first you're gonna crochet the braid in, and I tried so hard to be gentle because I really love myself and I do not like pain. So just as carefully as you can, bring the braid onto this other side, and I was really careful. As you can see, it got stuck, but hey, I was very careful, and the process was not so pain-free. So after braiding that, after crocheting the hair, what you're going to do next is you're going to, whoa, that hair, I really was careful so as not to hurt myself. I feel like there was a knot there, but it came through, and I promise you guys it was not as painful as it looks. It was just a knot that was happening there. So I finally managed to get that hair through, and then what you're going to do next is, since I am using hair and I didn't actually get new hair, I'm using hair that you already have, I just rolled it around as you can see. But also, okay, you can do it too tight at the ends, but since it's going to be butterfly locks, I started loosening it up a little bit so as to achieve the butterfly locks look. And yeah, it was amazing. I was really going for long butterfly locks, but maybe next time when I get a lot of braids, I'll do really long ones. But for now, I'll just stick to the short ones because I am using a bunch of different hair that I've just had and did not know what to do with. And I'll just roll the hair around itself, but like I said before, not so tight, because if you wanna achieve the butterfly lock look, it has to be kind of loose so that the curls can pop out nicely and the hair can turn out curly. So yeah, I just went ahead and did this on my whole head, and I usually, whenever I'm doing my hair, I underestimate, like I totally, completely, utterly out of this world underestimate the amount of time it's gonna take me to do a certain protective hairstyle. So like this one, as you can see, when I started it was bright and sunny, and please don't mind it when the quality of the video changes because I did my hair for quite a while and it got late, and the lights, I lost the natural sunlight. So yeah, but yeah, that is how to do a butterfly lock, and I really loved this style. So that's basically it. I'm not going to talk through the whole video, but please watch the video till the end, and I thank you for just appreciating and watching my videos. So you can actually try this hairstyle. It's simple, it's easy. Also, I think it took me long because I was mixing colors and playing around with the hair, but yeah, it turned out great. And please, anyone can try this hair, and if you do, please tag me or come, and I hope you love it, because I totally loved my hairstyle. It came out great. I rocked it for a couple of weeks, and yeah, I'm totally going to do this protective hairstyle again. So if you'd like me to do another video, of which the next video I'm doing, it's definitely going to be long goddess braids, so I'll probably just start in the morning because whoa, as you can see, it got dark. Like I said, totally underestimate the amount of time it takes me to do a protective hairstyle. And as you watch this video, just to catch up with you guys, my hair is thriving. Oh my god, yes, the natural hair journey is working, and I am actually seeing a lot of improvement, and I'm so proud of myself. It is hard work, I'm not going to lie, but I will push through. And if you get this far to my videos, you should just subscribe, because you've actually just watched it all. And thank you for being here. I really appreciate you, and give my video a thumbs up.